So good morning viewers. Today I am going to take you through the simple process of making idli. In the morning it is fairly simple. Just apply very little oil onto the idli tadka, which is commonly called the utensil for making the idlis, and just pour the batter as you can see. But before pouring the batter, you have to apply very little oil, might be 2 or 3 drops of oil on the utensil where you are making the going to make the idli. Now let me take you through the ingredients here. For the coconut chutney, as you can see, some chopped gingers, some small onions, curry leaves, some green chili. Just put into the mixer grinder, and it has to be made like this. The coconut chutney looks like this after grinding, fairly simple. Now the idli has been put into the steamer, as you must have seen earlier, and the steaming part will go on for at least 10 to 12 minutes to make it steamed idli, very soft. This is the batter, as you can see, as shown earlier. Now the most important part is that making idli is a matter of only 10 to 12 minutes, but the preparation goes on for making idlis goes on for at least 12 hours, because the last evening we did the grinding of the daal, rice in our grinder, and it is kept overnight for fermentation, which is the most important part. So that can only make good idlis. You can see the steam coming out of the enclosure of the where the idli is made. In the meantime, we have used the larger pan, added some oil, vegetable oil, put some mustard seeds and red chili, some curry leaves. This is for the coconut chutney, by the way. So within just half a minute it's ready. We are just going to put that into the chutney and a little bit of stirring. So your idli chutney is ready. Now it's a matter of just might be about 4 or 5 minutes, then our idli will also be ready.